Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Divided by mark price into 100 into 100. Okay. If I talk about the SP in terms of mark price when there is a discount. So SP is equal to mark price. SP is equal to mark price into 100 minus discount by 100. Discount will be in percentage. Okay. If I give you the direct relationship between mark price and cost price, so mark price by cost price, mark price by cost price is equal to 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 minus discount percent. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
so what is the difference between marked price and cost price?
See, so suppose I'm taking an example that uh, a pen costs, a pen is marked 100 rupees, say dollar, suppose $100. Pen is the mark price of pen is $100. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now there is a discount of 20%. There is a discount of 20%. Okay. And the cost price is suppose $60. Then what is the profit? Are you getting my point or not? So suppose you have purchased certain article at certain cost. Suppose you purchase the pen at 60, but at a retail store you have marked that article is of 100 rupees. Now you're giving discount of 20%, so your selling price will be 80.
Yes, yes, sir.
So your profit is 20 rupees. So
Yes,
convert
sir.
that 20 into percent. 20 by 60 into 100, that is the profit percent.
Okay, okay.
So mark price is something when you label another stamp on your article apart from the cost price. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Generally, the MRP of the product is called MP. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Maximum retail price. The cost price, we don't know what is the cost price when we purchase anything. Only that shopkeeper knows.
Okay, okay.
Any other doubt? Have you noted all these formulas?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's move on to profit and loss sheet. Can I erase it? Everyone noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So I'm going to the sheet. Profit and loss sheet. Question number 1. So question number 1 says, a man buys a cell phone for 1400 rupees and sells it at a loss of 15%. What is the selling price of the cycle? Can you solve? You can use direct the formulas. The question is asking what is selling price, right? So what is SP formula? SP is equal to what? When there is a loss, SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100, right? So put it here, 1400, 100 minus 15 by 100. What is the answer?
C.
Correct. So it is direct formula putting question, right? Also, what you can do is you can find 1%. What is 1%? What is 1% of 14?
140 would be 14, sir.
140 is 10%.
Sorry,
14.
sorry.
14, just 2 decimal point, right? A decimal
From
here. So
1,400.
14 into 15 is the discount. So 1400 minus that number, na? Loss
Yes, sir.
will be 14 into 15, right? And then subtract this 1400 minus 14 into 15, right? That will be your answer, which is 1190. So even if you don't know the formula, loss is similar to the percentage in decrease. Okay, on that basis you can find it, even if you don't remember formula. If you remember formula, you can easily solve the question. Let's move on to question number 2. So question number 2 says, when a pen is sold for 34.80, there is a loss of 2%. What is the cost price of the pen? So again, there is a SP given. I'm looking for CP, right? SP given, I'm looking for CP. So let's put the CP formula. What is CP formula? SP 100 divided by, it is a loss, right? So 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2. So what is SP? SP is 34.80 into 100 by 98. Solve it. What is the answer for the second one? It is not 2%, it is 25%. There is a printing error. Make it 25%. If it is 2%, this will be the solution. But
46.4.
yeah, it should be 20. Then to match the option, it should be 25%. So change it 2% to 25%. So when 25%, answer will be D. So here it will be 25. Okay, so this will be 75. Okay. Or suppose the shortcut is, suppose your selling price is X. So I'm sorry, cost price is X that you're looking for. So 75%. This is 34.580 is 75% of selling price, and 75% is 3/4. 3/4 of the selling price is 34.8. So from here you can find the X. Next question. Question number 3. Samir purchased 20 dozens of peaches at the rate of 375 per dozen. He sold each one of them at a rate of 33. What was his percent profit? The question is asking for percent profit. Hmm.
Profit by CP into 100.
Profit by CP into 100. That is profit percent. So what is profit? You need to find what is profit. See, so whenever there is a percent and a percent profit or percent loss you need to find, you find the CP of 1 and SP of 1, and from there you can find the profit or loss, and there you can find the profit percent or loss percent. So for 20 dozen, it is rate is given 375 per dozen. So what is the cost of 1? Because they have given selling price of 1, so try to find the cost price of 1. Okay, you have to compare. If they have given 375 for 12, so you also need to find what is the selling price for 12, or you can find cost price for 1. So what is cost price for 1? CP of 1 will be 375 divided by
31.25.
how much?
31.25.
31.25. 31.25 is the CP. SP is given 33. So from here we can find the profit. What is the profit? What is the profit?
1.75.
1.75. Yes, 1.75. So profit by CP into 100, right? So 1.75. What is CP? CP is 31.25 into 100. How much is this? Check.
5.6.
5.6. The third answer is C.